Welcome to today's daily recap. It is September 23rd, 2020. We'll be going over GJ, GC, and GA, and we'll be mapping out what happened, okay? So, GJ, there's a minor support at 133.500. So, once we saw a push in pre-London, pre-London pushed down. So it rejected 133.800, right? Not at a key level anywhere. So once it pushed down, then lower time frame started creating a lower high and retesting 500, and I took a sell there. So I took a sell at 500 exactly in 3 a.m. Pulled up. I took a sell right here, and I exited at 200. So 30 pips, right? Um, I ended the week there. That's it, 17.2% for the week. So 500. This is what I entered right here. These wicks here, and then I got out at 200 within 14 minutes. Okay, so that was GJ, and then what we saw happen was, one second, price pushed back above 133.500, and once it pushed above, so first we got rejected this 200 area twice, pushed up, created a higher low at 500, good entries, and then started consolidating prior to coming up to 133.800, consolidated. New York volume pushed it up. Another higher low continued up to 134.200, right? So just from here to there, 70 pips. Another higher low, broke above market structure, and now we're up sitting above this level. So what's next for GJ? One second. Okay, what's next for GJ? So we're above 134.200 now. So this is 4 hour. Let's look at daily. Daily can go back up to I think 135.500, but there are some levels in the way, such as this one. Okay, so let's say we break that, then we can easily go up. So if you go into lower time frames, that maybe we'll do something like this, and then go up, right? Something like that. So you can on these retests. If that doesn't happen, then if price does find resistance here, then we would have to break below, back below 134.200 for valid sells. Okay, otherwise, right now intraday is looking bullish. We rejected this area twice, right? So once, twice, 133.2 to 133. So if we come down, retest, and then this breaks up, then we can continue up to 135.500. Okay, so that's GJ. GC was clean. GC did a nice move in pre-London, did a drop, right? So it did a drop, right? 2 a.m. As soon as 2 a.m. opened, price fell, found minor support, created a lower high, and then consolidated and ranged, and it went down to 1.6900. So it did go down by 4:20 a.m. And then, one second, oops. And then same with pound pairs, this it pushed up, right? Once it broke above, back above the key level, nice retest in lower time frames, and then continued up for another like 80 pips. And see, these retests were literally perfect. So GC buys would have been better here, and this happened after New York Open. These would have been proper buys. I didn't like this price action here, right? So wait for price to go back above this key level, and then 1 minute retest, 1 minute retesting right to it, and then we go up, right? Okay. GPAUD. GPAUD was super clean. So prior to pre-London, price had broken out above this key level, one of our key levels, right? And um, in our analysis, we said that once it broke up, we'd continue up to the next key level, which was right here. Okay, so let's see that. Pre-London, where is it? Pre-London, 2 a.m., 2 a.m., 2:30, 240. Price came exactly and tapped 1.7800, which was our key level from the analysis. And we said it would be retest, and then price consolidated a little, but you see how it was making higher highs, higher lows, continued up, then we got another higher low, higher higher, and then we continued up to the next key level, which was 140 pips. Okay, so let's check out 1 minute price action, since 1 minute is one of the best time frame. Look at this. First of all, came right down here. Okay, right down here. Okay, we went from doing this, right, to now higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, push up. And we're also making highs, higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? And then you see the New York volume pre. This over here is pre New York. You see this consolidation, higher low making, orders being generated, 7:30, 30 minutes before, and then after New York open, we reach this level, we push up, New York volume strong, retest the level, create another high low, make new highs, essentially, and then we reached up here. So what can we expect? GA right now is looking very bullish, right? We saw days worth of consolidation. Next key level to target. 1 second, I'm just gonna draw these out. That's here. Okay, that was here. One right there. Sure, we can add some here. I'm just doing it wherever there's candle bars. We can adjust them later, okay? So, oh, wait a second. Yeah, this is valid. I think I had this. Could be wrong. But for now, let's just keep that. Cool. Okay, so price is above this key level here, right? I'm just gonna extend this level right here. Previously, you broke it, retested it. So this right here, maybe you can get something like this, right? Continue down and then up to this key level, which is reactions over here, right? Same price behavior here, price activity right there, retest, wicks, right? So all these are valid. So what we need for that is right now lower time for making a high, right? So if it pulls down something like this, pre-London consolidates, because yesterday we broke up, right? We broke up in Asian, broke up, retested, and then continued higher low, continued up later. So right now this is a new high. So we need daily to do something like this, intraday time frames to do something like this before we continue up to the next level. Okay. The bullish scenario is in play right now. Monitoring GBP CAD as well. And we'll see what GBP CAD does because it broke down, but it came back above this key level. So we're going to be watching because right now intraday is making some bullish price action. If we can break above these highs, safe buys for me. If we come down here, reject this, or I would rather buy if it did this up here. Okay, I don't want to wait for that. But essentially, this is a higher low than this previous low, right? So if we do make a high, then we're most likely going to break it, retest, continue on. Okay. Otherwise, if we go back below this level, then it's most likely we're going to go back to our previous low and then continue down lower. All right, just going to be after watching. Pay attention, rewatch this video if you have to, but these are the explanations of the moves and what we could be looking for next time. All right, thanks for watching. Enjoy your day.